If the seed could talk, the seed will ask God, what must I do so that I can sprout and grow and bear fruit? Yung tanong ng buto, pwede ring tanong ng tao sa Diyos. Ano ho ang dapat kong gawin para ho ako ay bumuti? Huwag na nating tanungin para ako gumanda, kasi baka wala ng solusyon. Paano ako bumuti? How can I be better as a person? The question of the seed is the question of every human being. How can I grow and how can I bear fruit? Una, tingnan natin ang talinhaga. Ang unang dapat gawin, pahawak ka sa Diyos. Let God hold you in His hands. Let God hold you. Pahawak ka. Hindi lang hipo, hawak ng Diyos. At hindi lang nadikit, kundi hawak sa kamay. The seed cannot grow unless the seed allows itself to be held by the hands. Pahawak ka sa Diyos. Pero pangalawa na dapat mong gawin ay hayaan mong ilaglag ka ng Diyos. Hindi magandang pakinggan kapag sinabing nilaglag ka ng kaibigan mo. Pero kapag nilaglag ka ng Diyos, mapapabuti ka. Because in being sown, in being released from His hand, we die. And when we die, we grow. There is no growth without dying. There is no growth without being buried on the ground. Ang una, magpahawa ka sa Diyos. Pangalawa, hayaan mong ilaglag ka ng Diyos. Because the sowing that comes from God can only make you better. Pangatlo, huwag kang makialam sa Diyos. Huwag kang makialam sa Diyos. Si isa lang ang dahilan, kasi siya lang ang Diyos. Hindi niya kailangan ng payo mo. Hindi niya kailangan ng advice mo. Hindi niya kailangan ng opinion mo. Ikaw ang may kailangan sa opinion niya. Ikaw ang may kailangan sa isip niya. Ikaw ang may kailangan sa kalooban niya. Huwag kang makialam sa Diyos. That is what the seed did. The seed was in His hands. The seed was dropped from the hands. And the seed just stayed on the ground. But staying on the ground and resigning everything to the Lord, surrendering everything to the Lord, the seed grew. Tatlong payo sa inyo ngayong umaga. Pahawa ka sa Diyos. Kung kailangan, hayaan mong ilaglag ka niya. Huwag kang matakot. Mapapabuti ka. Pero pangatlo, kapag pakiramdam mo, nalaglag ka at patay ka na, huwag kang makialam sa Diyos. Alam ng Diyos ang ginagawa niya. And in time, although you feel you have died, you will sprout, you will grow, you will bear fruit. Pahawa ka sa Kanya, ipalaglag ka sa Kanya, huwag mo siyang pakialaman.
Jesus Christ, the Son of God, was born for you and me. He came to bring the good news, from sin to set us free. The blind, the deaf, the lame, the poor, His power meant to see. He gave His life upon the cross, eternal life the key. He broke bread and shed wine before His agony. We share the body and the blood in His memory. To make His message known is our responsibility.